Hey, welcome to today's episode, and I want to share with you 3 keys to making money online. Now, I remember in year 2011 when I was taking a break from my corporate job and I was staying home to take care of my older daughter, I really wanted to start a business and learn how to make money from home and make money online. Because I believe that being able to work from home and also make money online would be the best way for me to juggle between building my business, establishing my finances, and taking care of my girl at the same time. So I was looking into so many different ways to try to make money online. I took various different courses and I also tried a few small things here and there as well. Fast forward to today, I make a decent amount of money online every month, and I really love my work, my customer and clients, and my lifestyle. So in this episode, I want to share with you some lessons I've learned and 3 keys to making money online so that you can also build a business and a life that you truly love. So if that's what you also want, don't go away. Welcome to Shine to Impact TV, and this is Millie Leung. I share a pretty awesome episode every single week to help you build a fabulous business and a life that you truly love. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell too. Okay, back to our topic today. Now, when it comes to making money online, from my experience, there are 3 key things that make a lot of difference. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first thing is that you should choose something that really resonates with you instead of just looking for a way to make money. When I first started searching for a business idea in year 2011, I was searching online and I was attending different seminars, workshops, and I went to different networking events as well. And through those experiences, I ended up meeting different people who showed me or pitched me on many different business ideas and opportunities. And I'll be like, oh, I think I could do this. Oh, I think I should do that. But I think this will make more money. Or I should give this one a try. But the thing was, looking back, sure, a lot of these business ideas and opportunities can make money. But the problem was, they just didn't really align with who I was as a person and who I wanted to become in the future. I was just looking at them as a way to make money. It was not until I found something that I love, something that I resonated with, something that I was willing to devote my time, energy, and my whole self into, then that idea really took off and became a successful business. So my point is, when you're looking for a business idea, select an idea that you resonate with. Think of what it would really make it an amazing business for you in terms of your passion, your core values, your purpose, and your ideal lifestyle. For example, one of my coaching clients came to me earlier this year. Now, to protect her privacy, I wouldn't be mentioning her name here. But when she first came to me, she has been running her business for about 3 years. It had plateaued and in fact gone backwards a little bit. So she felt lost and she was looking for various different new business ideas and opportunities. So when we started our coaching sessions together, the first thing I did with her was really digging into finding what truly aligns with her as a person and who she wants to become. And interestingly enough, when she talked about all these new business ideas and opportunities, she was just trying to justify how these new things would probably work better and make her more money. But when I asked her why she started her original business, the business that she has been running for 3 years, her whole body language changed. I saw sparkles in her eyes. It turned out that she really still loved her original business idea the most. In fact, she said in her own words, I feel that this is really my passion, my purpose, and my calling. So knowing that this original business idea is the one that fully aligns with her, we got to work and start to tweak her profit model, her brand messaging, her marketing, and we also work on ways to streamline her workflow and her team structure. Within 3 months, her business grew more than 100% in profits and she couldn't be happier. So my point is, the first key here is when you're starting a business or trying to make money online is to choose something that really resonates with you. Now, if you'd like to have more resources, check out this video on how to find your passion or this video on how to find your purpose as an entrepreneur. and also this video on how to monetize your passion without selling your soul. I'll put all the links below this video too. Now, the second thing that has made a lot of difference to me and many of my coaching clients is that after you found something that you resonate with, you want to look at how this idea can turn into profits. What products or services you can provide and that people are willing to pay money for. Now, let me say this first. It can be really easy to set up a blog and think that you can just keep blogging and blogging and blogging and build an audience first, and then you will somehow make money. Or you try to start a YouTube channel or a TikTok account, produce many videos and build an audience first, and then you try to monetize somehow. Trust me, it's really difficult going down this road as a business model. Trying to build up lots of views and audience to earn advertising money or brand sponsorship is very hard and not sustainable. Instead, what you want to do is figure out what products or services that people are willing to give you money for pretty much straight away. So within the area that you're passionate about and aligns with you, you want to write down anything that you're really good at and all the things that you think people would pay you money for right now. Is there a skill that you know well that you can teach others? If so, you can start a coaching or consulting service. Are there products that you can create? If so, you can pre-sell those as your first products. Are there services that you can provide? If so, you can also offer those services first. Sometimes these could be things that come so natural to you that you may not think much of it. For example, maybe you are a health-conscious person and over the years, you've been going to the gym and eating healthy and you are fit. So perhaps you can start to offer a fitness coaching package to your friends who are also looking to get healthy and fit. Or perhaps you have a large family and you've mastered the art of feeding 4 kids with a small budget, and you can prepare delicious and healthy meals and do them efficiently. Now, I know that might come easy to you, but for some people, it'd be like, oh my gosh, how do you do that? And you would save them so much hassle and headaches if you just share your knowledge, recipes, shopping lists, processes, and methods. And in return, you turn those experiences and knowledge into income streams right away. Or maybe you found a way to declutter and organize your home. It may seem like a small thing that you do all the time, but can you imagine Marie Kondo, who was able to turn one idea of organizing and decluttering with joy into a multi-million-dollar business? So, never underestimate the power of your knowledge, skills, or experience. Trust me, right now there are already things in your head that may seem obvious to you, but someone out there is looking for and wanting to learn from you and are willing to pay you money for. So, package those knowledge, skills, and experiences into coaching and consulting packages, products, and services, and get out there and offer them to the world. Now, when you first get started, you want to get proof of concepts and get feedbacks quickly so that you can tweak things and continue to improve your products and services. Aim for progression, not perfection. Don't get stuck trying to make the perfect thing at the get-go. Pre-sell it, launch it, get feedbacks, and continue to tweak it and improve it. Okay, now the third key to making money online is something you might overlook, but it is extremely important. And that is to get over your own self-limiting beliefs. Now, before you say, I know that already, Millie, I want to say that building a successful business is 80% mindset and 20% skill set. It is a mental game. During your entrepreneur journey, you will likely say something like, I can't do this. I'm not an expert in anything. I'm not smart enough. I don't have enough time. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough resources. I don't know how to do this. My family won't support my idea. You get my point. The list can go on and on and on. You also likely discover that you have some money blocks, meaning self-limiting beliefs when you are too afraid to charge for higher prices for your coaching, consulting, products or services, etc. Now, these are all very common and every entrepreneur encounters these self-limiting beliefs at some point of the journey. But until you can overcome these self-limiting beliefs, you could be self-sabotaging your business and stopping yourself from receiving money and abundance into your life. Now, if you wanted more resources to overcome your self-limiting beliefs, you can check out one of my playlists about entrepreneurial mindset on my YouTube channel. So, to recap, the 3 keys to making money online is: number 1, choose something that resonates with you. Number 2, look into your profit model and turn your idea into money right away. And number 3, get over your self-limiting beliefs. Now, having said that, don't forget to grab my free gift, Passion to Profit Playbook, The Secrets of Turning Your Passion into an Impactful and Profitable Business. I'll put the link below this video too. Okay, now let's put all these great ideas to work because insights without action is worthless. In the comments below, tell me this. What is your biggest takeaway from this video? And what is one action step that you take today to start making money online? If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell too. I share an awesome episode every single week to help you build a business and a life that you truly love. Also, do help me to like this video and share it with your friends too so that more people can benefit and start building a business that they truly love. You have a special gift in you. Believe in yourself and shine and impact the world in a bigger way. Remember, dream big, start small, and act now. With that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye for now. Subscribe and hit the bell.